Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your AirPods or charging case get damaged accidentally, you can replace the damaged item for an out-of-warranty fee. If you lose an AirPod or your charging case, we can replace your lost item for a fee.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Set up an appointment at an Apple store or an Apple authorized service provider. You'll need your serial number, so be sure to bring your charging case, proof of purchase, or original AirPods box along with your original AirPods. Contact Apple Support. You can also talk with an Apple Support advisor by phone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.